Welcome to the lesson 2 of Arab 307, Egyptian Arabic Comprehension. In the lesson 1, the last lecture, we have covered some basic situations in everyday life, and such as shopping, interactions, greetings, and so on. So those topics were covered in lesson 1. In today's lesson, we are going to continue discussion of those basic dialogues in the Egyptian Arabic. So let's start. So in the last lecture we have covered up to dialogue 5. So today we are going to start with the sixth dialogue. So the first one here is takallam, speak, bisahula, easily. So speak easy. La taud taruh ila hunak. Don't go there again. Like don't return to go ila towards hunak there. Man huwa sakin hunak. Man huwa, who is sakin, sakin mean who is living hunak there, who lives there. Jeep, bring shoya, bring little, nabid, wama, wamoya, bring little wine and some water. Barrit, cool down, alma, moya, tayyib, the well. So cool down the water well. So make the water very cool. Al-Ghada alal Ma'ida. The Al-Ghada, the food, alal on Al-Ma'ida is on the table. Ish Ismat. What is your name? Ish what? Ismat. What is your name? Huwa Hadik Jiddan. Hazik or Hadik. He is very clever. Sahini Badri for Kavi, Avi. So, wake me Badri Avi mean very early. Sahini mean wake me up, shout me up early. Al Yawm, today. Sahu, it's fair. Isbir, wait. Shoya, little bit. Ab ashum, send them. Ila, towards baiti, my house. Rushash, rashash, like from rashash. So rushash, sprinkle. Shoya, little bit. Maj, sprinkle little bit water. Aklip or aklip, dikha alwarka. Turn back the leaf. Turn back the leaf. Urbat or arbit, rabat, connect. So it's in connection. So tie aidihim wa arjuluhum. They tie their hands, aidihim wa arjuluhum, and their feet. Huna faqir alal bab, fakir. So there is a fakir, there is a beggar. Fakir mean beggar, solicitor, at the door. Huwa Fahim Jiddan. Fahim intelligent, smart. He is very smart. The Aish, this bread or hubas, Tayyib Avi or Kavi is very good bread. Ij fi sikka, the sikka mean path or the road, track, like Sikak al Hadid, the railway track. So that means come back, if we come back in this track. Dikha al-maktub. Take this letter. Ukhruj min al-bayt. Come out of the house. Or go out of the house. Igsil idik wa wajhak. Wash your hands wa wajhak and your face. Indu ashab friends. Kasir many. With him. Indu with him. With him there are many friends. Ish fayda. What's the advantage? What's the benefit? Takun fi dikha. What is the benefit in that? Kabadu huzan kasir. They have suffered much sorrow, much grief. Lahu lahya, beard. Tawila, long. Lahu for him. So he has a long beard. Ish min tayyib haza. Tayur. So what is this bird? Hua sikir. He is drunken. He's drunk. Hakal, like field. Min man haza. Which field is this? Come. How kan nas. How many people? Hunak. How many people were there? How many people were present over there? Mafi, there is no zait. Fi siraj. In the lamp there is no oil. Like it's empty. Atini min fazlik kalam or alam. Give me the pen. Aina dukan hu. Dukanu. Aina dukanu. Where is his shop? Al Malik Jalas Alal Sarir. The king sat upon the throne. Sutu Hassan. His voice is good. Ayinu, which type? Haywan Huwa Haza. Which type of animal is this? Ish Nasihatak. What is your advice? Or Ma Raik. Or what's your opinion? Rai, opinion, Nasihatak, advice. Kadesh Umrak. What is your age? Kaif Sehtak. How's your health? Jeeb Hibar, the ink. Wakalam, the pen. Wawork, the page, the paper. So bring the ink, pen and paper. Hassan man haza. Whose horse is this? Man huwa dikha al franji. Who is that European? Hazal ars bor. This land is barren. Ish shugal amal tamal. What business? Ish shugal, what business, what thing or what work? Are mean is MR. In the last lecture as we covered that it's used for the continuous. Tamal, are you doing or working? Emalu Azar Kasira. Uzar. So Uzar Azar. So Uzar mean the apology. So they made a lot of apology. Indi Wajah Ras. I have headache. Indi Wajah Ras. That I have pain in the head. Sar Wakhri. It's late. Khalina. Let's Nitawajja. Sar Wakhri Khalina Nitawajja. Nitawajja. Let's depart. Let's move towards that direction. So that's the literal meaning, but the actual meaning will be it's late, let's depart, let's go. Yashtaki he's complaining min Wajah al-Kibt, liver. So he is complaining of liver complaint, or he has a problem in liver or liver pain. Indu Wajah ad-Daris, Azars. He has a toothache. Indi Wajah ad-Daris. Fil Bazar Ashya Katira Lillab. That in the market there are many things lillah for playing. Hazihi tarjuma, this translation, hasna is good, jiddan is very good. This translation is very good. Saatak, your watch, tamshi, Saatak tamshi tayyib, your watch goes well. The shama, this is a candle, or this is the wax candle. Come kira, the kira means the brand to lease. So what is the rent of al-Karib? What is the rent of this boat? Come asa. What's the time? Asa, time, hour. What's the hour? Irfa, lift up. Asatati, the blinds, the curtains. So lift up the curtains. Nahi, take away as-sahun, the dishes. Take away the dishes. Hut saati, put my watch, place my watch, alal maida, on the table. Hazihil fakiha, hamiza or hamida jiddan. This fruit is very sour. Lesh, ant, ghazban. Why are you angry? Lesh, why ant you ghazban angry? The shugul, this work, saab avi. So this work is very hard. Makar, clever, avi. They are very clever. They are very deceitful. Al-Kumash, this clothing, Khashin is coarse, avi, very coarse. Hal anta tasluh lishugal. Are you fit? Are you okay for work? Al yawm abrad min ams. This today is colder as compared to yesterday. Here, Kharsa Watarsha. She is dumb, Khars, Watash, and deaf. Di al-Hakaya, this story, al-Hakaya di kulluha kizb. This whole story is a lie. Next, Haza Zabib, these Zabib, raisins, Tayyib, these are good raisins. Indu, with him, Bait or Bait, Kabir, he has a big house. Al-Awzadi, this room, Shirha, Avi, this room is very delightful, bright. Al-Awza, this room, like Al-Awza room, it could be in a house, it could be in a hotel. The Alia is very high, very high. Tabu, like nature, disposition. Tabu, the taba, his nature. Kasi is cruel, Kasiya. his disposition is cruel, his moral, his nature. Hum kaslanin wa mutahamilin. They are lazy and negligent. Al-Qalam di, this pen, Rahu, biziyada. This meant like avi or ziyada, they are used in the both sense. So biziyada, this pen is too soft. Like once you need to raise the degree of something to some extent, then ziyada or avi. Hazal work, I'll work this paper, khishin jiddan. This paper is very coarse. Ant or anta tatakallam bittani avi. You speak very slowly. Taqdir or ta'dir tatakallam bil inglesi. Can you speak English? Are you? Can whenever taqdir, aqdir and so on. Inzil wala taka. Come down or descend. Otherwise wala or taka, you will fell down. Labud annak taruh maya. You must go, labud, there is no escape. Annak, you must go with me. Taruh, come, you must come with me. Taruh maya. Nihi al-haga di, take away. Nahi al-haga di, take away this thing. Narifu, we know him, kullu. We know him very well, all of him. So we know him, all of him. Yarifu, they know katir, they know a great deal, they know a lot. Kallafni tab kasir, like trouble. He gave me a problem. He gave me something hard. Kathir, very hard. So he caused me a big problem. Lesh, why? Tazhak, bila sabab, without any reason. Bila, without sabab, reason. So why are you laughing without a reason? Haza ma huwa baiti. This is not my house. Khallini, let me. Ashum hazas zahara, allow me to smell. For smell, asham is used. So khallini, let me smell asham hazi, this hazi, this one, azahra, this flower, zahur. Idhan al-kursi bid zayd. So apply that oil on the chair. Iftah al-bab, open the door. Bazal min al-asakir, some of the soldiers, anjarahu, like seventh form of the verb over here, have been wounded. Isrib, dikha al-walad al-kaslan, hit idrib, that al-walad, that boy, al-kaslan, the lazy, al-kaslan, lazy. So hit that boy or beat the lazy boy. Bad an al haza safir, safar in talak, that after saying this I will leave. He will leave. After saying this, safar an talak, so he left. Next, kam ballagt kaima hisabak. What is the, how much? So in the literal meaning, come, how much had reached the level of your account. So what is the amount on your bill? Hisabak, or on your account. So ish huwa al farq the difference. So what is the difference? Bain ad-dawl al-asnain or atnain. What is the difference between these two? Dol al-asnain. What's the difference between these two? Kama huwa muallim, kama huwa al-muallim, kazalik yakun al-mutallam. As the master, kama huwa, as for the teacher, as the master, so he kazalik, he will like scholar or mutallam or the learner. Min fasl fi hazihil kitab, fi haza al kitab. How many chapters? So come first fasl, chapter. So how many babs or chapters? Fi hazil kitab. How many chapters are in this book? Hal ala ala hazihil biza, biza baza, asqat fil hisab. Like on these things, on this merchandise. So biza, merchandise are things. Discuss like discount. So is there any discount? Iskat fil hisab, like lessening in the calculation or the amount. So is there any discount on these merchandise? Haza sabi muhabbab alayna jiddan. So this boy, Muhabbab, is loved by us. Alayna, jiddan. So this boy is much loved by us. Hal fi hazal ghadir samak. So is there in this tank any samak, any fish? Next. Istadat samka bi asa, like rod. So I caught a fish, samka fish, bi asa, with a rod. Hazihil ba'ra al-baqara ma laha qarun. So this cow has malaha, don't have qarun, the horns. This is also used, qarun, this is also used for the centuries and for the horns. Min ayyinu hazal, of what kind? Hazal jokh, which type of cloth is this? Halfi niyatak, in your intention, an tusafir ila Aruba. Do you intend to, or do you have intentions to travel to the Europe? Next, Allik hazi as-surayya fil ka'a. So allik mean hang up, as-surayya, this lamp, an-najfa. So as-surayya more formal and najfa more colloquial. Fil ka'a mean the hall. So hang this lamp in the hall. Hal tusafir fil bar aw fil bahar. So do you travel by road or by land, or by sea or by water? Sandukak, your box, are like on your luggage. Ma lahu kufr. Also on your luggage there is no lock. Alat tarf, on the side of an-nahar. Alat taraf an-nahar, on the side of the river. Wah kasir or katir, there is much mud. Kam kan minal musafirin fi zalik Fizalik al markab, on that vessel, on ship, or any device of like either travel. So how many passengers, musafirin? So how many passengers were there in that vessel? Ta'attar al-bayt kullu. The whole house was scented. So hal ant, are you sahib, the owner? Hazihi dar, are you the landlord of the house? Are you owner of the house? Kama taf'al kazalik tulaki. So as you so shall you reap. Yeah, I mean as you do, you will find. Tulaki mean you will meet, you will find. At taslim khair rafiq. The resignation is the best, the khair best, rafiq friend is the best companion. Ad dunya, the world, dar is the house, dar gharur, deceit. The world is the house of the deceit. Samra at tahur al ajla al nadama. So Samra at tahur, sorry, at tahawwur, not tahur. Tahur is for cleanness, so there is shadda over here. So Samra at tahawwur al ajla al nadama. So the at-tahawwur is more of the for the like rashness or quickness. So the result of the rashness is nadama, and nadama, the repentance. As-sabr mankaba mahmuda. The mankaba quality, mahmuda, excellent. As-sabr, the patience. The patience is an excellent quality. As-sama, the hearing, khair min al-kalam. Hearing is better than the speaking. Kama tatakallam kazalik tasma. Such as you speak, so you will hear. Like you will hear what you say to others. Kama tatakallam kazalik tasma. Al-kana, the contentment. Miftah or raha. The contentment is the key of the ease or repose. Al-jahal, ignorance. Maut is the death. Al-ahya, of the living. The ignorance is the death of the living. Al-iktisad, the moderation. Fi kul shay, in everything khair. So the moderation in everything is best. Al-Hakim, the wise. Takfi, ishara. To the wise, the hint is enough, is sufficient. Takfi, sufficient. Ishara, the hint. Said, help. Akhak or akhuk, help your brother. Fi shidda, in distress, in bad times. So assist your brother in bad times. Ad-dawa, kasiran, the frequent medicine. Ma yakunu, the frequent medicine is sickness. Al-insan, man. Yorif is known. Bisira, conduct, with his conduct. The human is known يعرف بسيرته. 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 The man is known from his conduct. Minal mana, from prohibition. Tazid or ragba. So if you ban something, the desire for it increases. Tazid or ragba. Al bakht, the luck, the fortune. La yati, does not come. Ma'al hikmah, fortune does not come with wisdom. Mean these two things are separate. That's it for today. We have covered 3 more dialogues of Egyptian Arabic. So we started from the 6th, and this is the 8th one. And in the next lecture, we will start from the 9th one. So I hope that's helpful. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.